Crunches. It is a direct work on the abs and we want to make the most of it. Stronger the abs, lesser the pressure on the back and relief to the low back pain. Let's do the crunches now. Bend your knees, tailbone tucked in, chin tucked in, hands under the head. Inhale first. While exhaling, allow the abdomen to sink in and lift the head up at the strength of this contraction. We'll repeat again. Exhaling, sink the abdomen in, bring the head up and check the shoulder stand. Fantastic. Now I'll do quick repetitions in this. Yes, go back. It will be a continuous repetition now. Exhaling, you come up. Inhale partially. Again, while exhaling, you go back. Exhaling, you are moving the body. Inhale partially, again while exhaling you come down. That will ensure the contraction. Fantastic. Now let's do the other version in the crunches. Straighten your leg. Your feet are parallel and rooted. As you root your feet, check that your leg, thighs, the rooting directly affects your contraction here. Okay, arms under the head again. That's your starting position. Body is well rooted now. Inhale, prepare. Exhaling, sink the abdomen in and at the strength of it, get the head up. Inhale partially and exhaling, get your head down. Take your time. You can take 1 or 2 short breaths. Exhale and at the strength of it, come up. Hold if you can, maintain the shoulder stand, inhale partially, exhaling, go down. All the time maintain the contraction of the abdomen. Now we'll do continuous repetitions. At every exhalation you are coming up, at every exhalation you are going down and up. And up. Fantastic. Now let's do the next third version in crunches. Bend your knees, tailbone tucked in, chin tucked in, arms over the head. Make sure that your spine is well connected down to the floor. If you keep your arms little up, the spine will really be well supported. And if it goes all the way down, there may be an arch and we don't want it. We want the spine to well be on the floor, that it supports the contraction. Inhale, exhaling, allow the abdomen to sink in and lift the body off. Check your shoulder stand, very good alignment. Go back while exhaling, retain the connection of the contraction. Come up again, exhaling, get the body up, check the shoulder stand, very good. Go back. When you're conscious about your shoulder stand, keep doing. It will take stress off the neck. It is not the back that is working for this contraction. It's only the abs that is working. At any point, if you feel a strain on your neck or the back, you are not doing it right. This portion is just a support, but not a working out portion. This is where the workout has to happen. You will do it at your pace. Let us have some continuous crunches. 1. Go back. You need not go all the way back. You can just move little and up. Yes. Halfway and up again. halfway and up again. All the time be connected to the contraction. Release. Okay. Now if it is coming up, it's fine because you're closing the movement. Okay. Straighten the leg for the crunches. We are doing the 4th crunches now. Allow the foot to be rooted well. Put the energy from the feet through the legs, thighs, and feel the contraction reaching up to the abdomen. Inhale, exhaling, allow the abdomen to sink in and up. Very good adjustment of the shoulder stand. Go back. Check that your back is not elevating off the mat. If it does, you need not reach the arms all the way. Exhaling, contract, and at the strength of it, it comes up. Go, and now we'll just do the quick movements. 1, great. 2, you can check that the feet are well aligned. The feet are giving you the strength for the abdominal contraction. The rooting is very crucial here. And the support that comes from the back. Check that the back and neck is not working, abs is working. Fantastic. Release.